معروف اٹھو اب تم حالات بدل ڈالو، آ جاؤ رکاوٹ تو اتہاس بدل ڈالو۔
الحمدللہ رب العالمین والصلاة والسلام علی النبی الکریم وعلی آلہ وصحبہ اجمعین ومن تبعہم بإحسان الی یوم الدین، اما بعد۔ First time I came this Marufi Educational Foundation and I listened the program throughout from A to Z, and very carefully I listened. Something I noted where we should care. For example, you speak, everybody learn by heart his speech, but no matter you think that you should speak English and you took admission in this Marufi Educational Foundation. I think you started the program, and Mr. Muhammad Shamim, who started this organization, I will only say you just started. You use what you have and do what you can, and he is doing very well, and the teachers who teach here is doing very well, because the pronunciation, though everybody has tried their best, but unfortunately it occurred some mistakes in his speech, but no matter, because if we think we cannot speak, you will never speak. If you think I will speak, I will speak, you can speak. So if anybody who didn't start anything new, if he never made a mistake, he can never start anything new. I will point out what our students made some mistakes where, for example, merciful, there is a word merciful. Everybody said merciful. Everybody said merciful. R is the letter which never pronounced. R is the letter which never pronounced. Merciful not, it is merciful. It is merciful. And verbs की first form, second form and third form. For example, targeted. Somebody said targeted. It is not targeted. It is right, wanted, but it is not targeted. Wanted is right, targeted is not right. Targeted will be targeted. And precious. Precious is the correct pronunciation. Every student should have his own dictionary to check out his own the pronunciation. Everybody should have the dictionary in his cell phone. It is very easy. Wherever you are, you can listen, you can check out the pronunciation. It doesn't matter how many mistakes are you doing in your speak. It doesn't matter. You are doing very well. If you try on this way, you can speak very well frequently without any hesitation. This is how distinguished, not distinguished. It is distinguished. Check out in your dictionary. Important, not important. Happy, not happy. There is no double pronunciation in English word. there is no double pronunciation in English word, like tashdid in Arabic. There is no double pronunciation. You just care. Happy, it is not happy. Blessings, not blessing. Behavior, not behavior. Morality. Chances, not chance. Higher chances, not higher chance. Religions, not religion. Possible, not possible. This organization provides, not provide. This organization provides the chance to speak English without any fear, not chance. This is why I joined this organization, this Marufi Educational Foundation. This is why I joined, not joined. This is why I joined this organization, not joined. Family, not family, you can say family, and you can also pronounce it family. You can also pronounce it in British English family, not family. Unfortunately, not unfortunately. In today's life, not in today life. In today's life, there is many chances in many fields, not in today life. Person, not person. It is person, not person. The investment in education always pays the best interest. If you think education is very expensive, try ignorant. If anyone empties his purse into his mind, no one can take it away forever. कोई भी इसे कभी ले नहीं सकता. तो I would like to say all of you that you are doing very well, and please keep away from the people who belittle your ambitions. Please keep away from the people, from your friends who belittle your ambitions, because always small people do that. You just try your best. Best of luck. Thank you.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वस्सलातु अला अहलिहा अम्मा बाद. मज़ीद कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मौलाना ने अक्सर आप लोगों को बता ही दिया है. ये जो तकरीर का मरहला है, इसमें कोई एक तो बात आप ये ज़हन में रखिए कि कोई पैदाइशी मुकर्रिर नहीं होता है. बोलना जितने भी बड़े मुकर्रिर हैं वो वैसे ही स्टेज पे नहीं आते, वो भी तैयारी करके ही आते हैं. तो बहुत से बच्चे पहले भी और आज भी कॉन्फिडेंस उनका मुकम्मल नहीं था, हिले हुए थे. तो वो ये ना समझे कि हम इस लायक नहीं हैं कि हम किसी कंपटीशन में हिस्सा लें, इसलिए कि यहाँ हमने बहुत मेहनत की, एक प्रोग्राम वहाँ हुआ, दूसरा प्रोग्राम यहाँ हमें चांस मिला, फिर भी हम अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे पाए. तो ऐसा नहीं है. धीरे धीरे आदमी आगे बढ़ता है, और इस तरह के प्रोग्राम में हिस्सा लेना हमें ज़रूर, इस तरह के प्रोग्राम में हमें हिस्सा लेना चाहिए. क्योंकि इस तरह के प्रोग्राम जो किए जाते हैं वो हमारे लिए ही किए जाते हैं. हमारे अंदर की जो सलाहियत है उसको उभारने के लिए, उसको निखारने के लिए किए जाते हैं. बहुत से बच्चे ऐसे भी होंगे जिन्होंने अभी इस बात का मुशाहिदा भी किया होगा कि उनकी हार्ट बीट तेज़ हो गई होगी. جو دماغ میں تھا وہ زبان پہ نہیں آ رہا ہوگا، یا دماغ میں تھا زبان پہ صحیح نہیں آ رہا تھا. تو یہ سب چیزیں ہیں جو پریکٹس کرنے کے بعد صحیح ہو جاتی ہیں. بہت بڑے سے بڑے مقرر بھی ایسے ہی مقرر نہیں ہوتے، وہ بھی پریکٹس کرنے کے بعد ہی ہوتے ہیں. تو ماشاءاللہ آپ میں سے اکثر کے جو پرفارمنسز تھے وہ اچھے تھے، اگرچہ پرفیکٹ نہیں تھے، کوئی بھی پرفیکٹ نہیں ہوتا ہے، لیکن پرفیکٹ کے قریب قریب تو ضرور تھے. اللہ تعالیٰ آپ کو آگے رکھے، آپ کو اور ترقی دے. السلام علیکم.